Koalas. The unique tree-dwelling marsupial koalas are one of Australia's most iconic animals, instantly recognizable for their bear-like appearance, round ears, and fluffy fur. Native to Australia, these marsupials are arboreal, spending most of their lives in eucalyptus trees. Koalas are often thought of as cute and cuddly creatures, but they are more complex and specialized in their behaviors and diet than most people realize. In this video, we will explore the types of food koalas consume, how much they eat, their lifespan, average size, and other interesting facts about their lifestyle, hunting, and reproduction. What do koalas eat? Koalas are herbivores and, more specifically, folivores, which means they primarily feed on leaves. Their diet is highly specialized, as they consume the leaves of eucalyptus trees, which constitute over 90% of their food intake. Primary food. Eucalyptus leaves. Koalas are particularly selective eaters and have evolved to consume only a few species of eucalyptus trees. In fact, they are highly adapted to consuming eucalyptus leaves, which are tough, fibrous, and contain toxins that most other animals cannot digest. Eucalyptus leaves are low in nutritional value, but koalas are able to survive on them due to their slow metabolic rate. There are over 700 species of eucalyptus trees, but koalas prefer a small subset of these, typically around 50 species. Among these, the most favored species include Eucalyptus camaldulensis, river red gum, Eucalyptus viminalis, manna gum, Eucalyptus teraticornis, forest red gum. Nutritional value and adaptation. The leaves of eucalyptus trees are low in nutrients, which is one reason why koalas sleep for up to 18 to 22 hours per day. This extended rest period is vital because their digestive process is slow and energy-consuming. The leaves contain compounds called tannins and phenols, which can be toxic in high amounts, but koalas have developed a liver that is capable of detoxifying these compounds. The koala's specialized digestive system also helps break down the leaves over a long period. What else do koalas eat? While eucalyptus leaves make up the majority of their diet, koalas occasionally consume other vegetation, such as the leaves from a few non-eucalyptus trees, and rarely, flowers. However, the contribution of these additional food sources is minimal, and they do not make up a significant portion of their diet. How much do koalas eat? Koalas have very specific dietary requirements due to the low energy content of eucalyptus leaves. On average, an adult koala consumes approximately 500 grams, 1.1 pounds, to 1 kilogram, 2.2 pounds, of eucalyptus leaves per day. This quantity depends on factors such as the quality of the leaves, the species of eucalyptus, and the size and age of the koala. Nutrient absorption. Koalas are slow feeders. They spend several hours each day munching on leaves, carefully selecting the most tender and least toxic parts of the tree. Their digestive system is adapted for long-term digestion, and the process takes a significant amount of time. The koala's large cecum and colon allow it to extract whatever nutrients it can from the fibrous and low-nutrient leaves. How long do koalas live? In the wild, koalas generally live between 10 to 12 years. However, their lifespan can be influenced by several factors, including environmental conditions, food availability, and predation. In captivity, where they are protected from predators and receive a consistent food supply, koalas can live up to 18 years. While they do not live as long as some other marsupials, they are relatively long-lived for a species that has such specialized dietary needs. Lifespan influencers. Predation. Koalas have few natural predators. However, they are sometimes targeted by wild dogs, foxes, or large birds of prey, particularly young or weak individuals. Disease and environmental stress. Koalas are prone to a variety of diseases, including chlamydia, which can cause infertility and blindness. They are also susceptible to the effects of habitat destruction, such as loss of eucalyptus trees, and climate change, which can impact their food supply. Urbanization. Increased human activity, including urban sprawl, can reduce koala habitats, leading to car accidents, dog attacks, and a decrease in available eucalyptus trees. Size and weight of koalas. Koalas are medium-sized marsupials, and their size can vary depending on their gender and habitat. Males are typically larger than females. Average weight. Males. Adult male koalas typically weigh between 8 to 14 kilograms, 17.6 to 30.8 pounds. Females. Female koalas are usually lighter, weighing between 6 to 8 kilograms, 13.2 to 17.6 pounds. Length and height. Length. Koalas can reach an average body length of 60 to 85 centimeters, 24 to 33 inches, from head to tail. Height. Koalas do not stand upright like humans or kangaroos, but their height can be considered as the distance from the ground to the top of their body when perched in a tree, which can range from 50 to 80 centimeters, 20 to 31 inches. Koalas attacking and hunting behavior. Koalas are not predators and do not hunt for food. They are strictly herbivores and spend most of their time foraging for eucalyptus leaves. While they are capable of defending themselves when threatened, they are generally not aggressive animals. If a koala is attacked or feels threatened, it may use its sharp claws and teeth for self-defense. Defensive behavior. Climbing. When faced with danger, koalas usually retreat into the safety of the treetops. Their strong claws and excellent climbing ability make them adept at quickly escaping predators. Vocalization. Koalas can produce loud, bellowing sounds, especially during mating season. These sounds can also serve as a way to warn other koalas of potential threats. Romancing and reproduction. In koalas, the koala's reproductive system is an important aspect of its life cycle. Mating season typically occurs between September and March, when food is plentiful and koalas are in better condition. Courtship. During mating season, male koalas call out loudly to attract females. Their deep, bellowing vocalizations echo through the trees, and the males often compete with each other for the attention of a female. The male will also use scent marking to communicate his presence and his dominance. Mating ritual. Once a female koala is attracted to a male, mating typically occurs in the treetops. Koalas are solitary animals, and each individual has its own home range. After mating, the female koala will give birth to a single joey, usually after a gestation period of about 35 days. The joey is born underdeveloped and crawls into its mother's pouch to continue developing for about 6 months. After leaving the pouch, the joey will stay close to its mother for several months, feeding on her milk and learning to eat eucalyptus leaves. Conservation and koala habitat. Koalas are a vulnerable species, primarily due to habitat destruction and climate change. The clearing of eucalyptus forests for urbanization, agriculture, and logging has greatly impacted their habitat. As tree cover diminishes, koalas are forced to relocate to smaller areas with fewer food sources. Threats to koalas. Habitat destruction. The loss of eucalyptus forests due to urbanization and logging is one of the primary threats to koalas. Climate change. Increased temperatures, droughts, and bushfires caused by climate change further stress koala populations. Diseases. Diseases like chlamydia and koala retrovirus, CORV, also threaten koala populations, affecting their fertility and immune systems. Koalas are fascinating marsupials with unique diets and behaviors. They are primarily eucalyptus eaters, consuming large amounts of leaves each day to meet their nutritional needs. With a relatively long lifespan of up to 18 years in captivity, koalas are well adapted to life in the treetops of Australia's eucalyptus forests. Despite their relatively sedentary lifestyle, koalas are skilled at defending themselves against predators and engaging in complex mating rituals. Unfortunately, habitat destruction, disease, and climate change have made koalas vulnerable, and conservation efforts are crucial to ensuring their survival. As Australia's iconic creatures, koalas continue to captivate the world with their cute appearance and solitary, tree-dwelling nature. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.